Today we are going to discuss about the molecular term symbol lecture 3. In this video we will discuss about the homonuclear diatomic molecules such as helium 2 plus, helium 2, H2 plus, H2, B2, C2, N2, O2 and fluorine. Term symbols for homonuclear diatomic molecules, that is helium 2 plus. This is the first example. The ground state electronic configuration of helium 2 plus is 1 sigma G2 1 sigma U1. Here there are only 3 electrons, so first we will get the capital ml value by adding the small ml values. So small ml1 is equal to 0, small ml2 is equal to 0, small l for the 3 electron is also 0 because all the electrons are in sigma orbitals. Then we will take the ms values. So this ms value is plus half, this is minus half, and this ml values may be plus or minus half. So the total ml value, capital ml value will be 0 and ms value is equal to plus minus half. The fact that capital ml is equal to 0, we have a sigma state. The ms is equal to plus minus half corresponds to the two projections of s half plus half is equal to half. So the term symbol for ground state of helium 2 plus is sigma 2 sigma, a doublet sigma state, a electron present in U parity, so the parity will be U. 1U wave function is unchanged upon reflection through a plane containing the two nuclei. The total molecular orbital wave function is unchanged. So the complete term symbol of the ground state of helium 2 plus is this. We have discussed in the previous lecture that how it is the reflection is the symmetric about this. Now the ground state electronic configuration of helium 2 is 1 sigma 2 1 sigma U2. Here both the electrons will be there. Here because all the orbitals are in sigma, so ml will be 0 and all the electrons are paired, so ms will be 0. Parity is these two electrons have u and u, so it is g. Both the two electrons are there, so one electron will be u, another electron will be u, so it is g. Sigma 1g and sigma 1u wave functions are unchanged upon reflection through a plane containing the two nuclei. So the plus sign will be there. So term symbol of helium 2 is 1 sigma g plus. The ground state electronic state of hydrogen is 1 sigma 2, whose molecular term symbol is 1 sigma g plus. The first excited state has the electronic configuration this. The electron will be shifted from 1 sigma g to 1 sigma u, which is the as the following shows give rise to the term symbols 1 sigma u plus 3 sigma u plus. So if the in hydrogen the first excited state has the two molecular term symbols. Note that the triplet state corresponding to an electronic configuration this is always repulsive. The second excited state corresponding to an electronic configuration is sigma 1 sigma 1 2 sigma 1, or a term symbol will be 1 sigma g plus. Like the ground state as hydrogen molecule, this excited state is a bond order of 1. This here we can explain that in the second excited state of hydrogen the bond order is 1 so it is somewhat stable. Because the 2 sigma g orbital is larger than the 1 sigma g orbital, however, we would predict that the bond length of H2 is longer in the excited state than in the ground state. So here we can explain that in the second ground state of hydrogen, the bond length is longer than the in ground state. Now we come to the boron molecule, B2 molecule. The ground state electronic configuration of B2 molecule is 1 sigma G2, 1 sigma U2, 2 sigma G2, 2 sigma U2, 1 pi U1 and 1 pi U1. We can ignore completely occupied orbitals and consider only this and this state, that is 1 pi U1, 1 pi U1 configuration. All possible values of ml and ms can be calculated follows. Now both the electrons are unpaired, then the spin will be 1. So ml value will be, there are the 2 pi orbitals, so 1 pi u will be plus and 1 pi u will be minus. So one electron will be in this and one electron will be in this. So ml, capital ML value will be 0 and m is equal to 0. So symbol will be 3 sigma. Because m is 0, so symbol will be sigma and the spin multiplicity will be 3. If the electrons are paired, it means these are the possibilities of pairing. So first possibility is that in this orbital the electrons will be paired in this opposite spin, and in the second position one electron will be in this clockwise, anticlockwise, this is in anticlockwise, and in this both the electrons are paired in the sigma 1u. So these are the 3 possibilities of the electrons we can put, that both are paired here, both are paired, and in both the pi u electrons, one is clockwise and one is anticlockwise. So here will be ml value will be minus 2 because it is minus 1, so 2 electrons are there, so minus 2. Here will be plus 1, minus 1, so ml value will be 0, and here both the electrons are in this orbital, so the ml value will be 2. So ml value, there are 2 values of ml is 0 and 2. This is a 0 and this is 2. So term symbol will be 1 sigma, and because for 0 the symbol is sigma, for 2 is the sigma is delta, so 1 delta. Now parity will be, because both electrons are u and u, so it will be the G parity. So 1 pi u wave function is changed and 1 pi u wave function is unchanged upon the reflection through a plane containing the 2 nuclei. So plus minus is equal to minus, so there will be minus sign on the symmetry. So total symbols are 3 sigma G minus, 1 sigma G minus, and 1 delta G minus. Ground state term symbol is 3 sigma G minus. Here we can explain of all these taken in hydrogen atom, both the electrons are here. This again the molecular orbital diagram of the orbitals. If we explain about the H2, then both electrons are in these orbitals. In first excited state, 1 electron is here, one electron is here. In second excited state, 1 electron is here and 1 electron here. They are in the category, in first excited state, 1 electron is here, 1 electron is here. So they are sigma non-equivalent electrons. if one electron is here and one electron is here in second excited state, again sigma non-equivalent electrons are there. Non-equivalent means of different energy. So this is the we have discussed earlier that this, if the electrons are present in this H2 plus, then it is the symmetry will be plus. Here if the electron is here, symmetry will be plus, and in this symmetry will be plus. In boron molecule, one electron is here and one electron here. If we take this plane, then it is anti-symmetric, so it is the minus sign. If again this is plane, this is symmetric, so it is plus. So this is plus minus, ultimately the symmetry will be minus. Similarly, in this orbital, if this plane is taken, it is anti-symmetric, and if this is plane is taken, it is symmetric. So if the electrons are present in the pi orbitals, this and this, that is they have the symmetry minus. Only in these two orbitals the symmetry will be minus. So if in B2 molecule the symmetry will be minus. Similarly in O2, when electrons are present in this and this, the symmetry will be minus. So only in B2 or in O2 the symmetry will be minus, and in all other sigma orbitals the symmetry is plus. Now because a sigma orbital are symmetric about the internuclear axis, they do not change sign when they are reflected through a plane containing the nucleus. As we have discussed in earlier slide, the sigma orbitals are always symmetrical. One of the doubly degenerate pi u orbitals changes sign and other does not. That is in pi 1u and pi 1u. Similarly, degenerate pi z orbital changes sign and other does not. Using these observations, we can determine whether or not a sigma electronic state is labeled with a plus or minus subscript. So that we have discussed that in pi orbitals the plus and minus sign is equal to minus. Now we discussed about all the homonuclear diatomic molecules term symbols. So in H2 plus the electronic configuration is 1 sigma G1. So it is very simple. Here is sigma, so the term symbol will be sigma. Here is one electron, then the spin multiplicity will be 2, and it is parity is G, so it will be G, and because in sigma orbitals the symmetry is plus, so it is plus. In H2 there are two electrons, 1 sigma G2. Again the term symbol here sigma, so this sigma will be taken, parity will be G. Two electrons are there because both electrons are paired, so the spin multiplicity is 1, and because it is sigma orbital, so symmetry will be plus. These we have discussed earlier, but we are discussing again. Helium 2 plus is 1 sigma G2, 1 sigma U. So the electron is present in this orbital, so sigma is here, sigma will be there, parity is U, one electron is there, spin multiplicity will be 2, because it is sigma, so it is the plus symmetry. Lithium, this is the electronic configuration, and this the last configuration, so 2 sigma G2, again sigma is here, so sigma is here, then G parity, both the electrons are paired, so spin multiplicity is 1 and the symmetry is plus. Here we have discussed about this boron, so this is the electronic configuration of boron. We will take these two orbitals, so here pi 1 pi u1, 1 pi u1. Here the orbitals are pi and pi, so that this will be the sigma, and u parity will be give the G parity, spin multiplicity will be 3, and the symmetry, as we have discussed, will be minus. So only in this, when the electrons are present in 1 pi u and 1 electron, 1 pi u in 1 electron, only then the minus sign will be there. In carbon C2, this is the electronic configuration, outer electronic configuration. So here again both the electrons are in pi, and again electrons are in pi, so it will be the pi is sigma, and G u and u will be G, spin multiplicity will be 1, and symmetry will be plus. So these are the electronic configurations, and these are the term symbol we can discuss. Again, if we take the O2, this is the 1 pi G1, 1 pi G1. So again, as we have discussed in earlier, that both the electrons are in pi 1G and pi 1G, the symmetry will be minus, otherwise in all the symmetry is plus.